Hey guys, this is Luke with Kickstart Collective, and I'm here today to tell you about our VIY program. VIY stands for Video It Yourself. We started the VIY program so you guys can connect with your audience on a consistent basis. But we also thought it was important that you guys put out content that represents your business. So we want to put out quality content. We don't want you guys putting out just cell phone videos that are nice and shaky. We want you guys to have a nice polished product. So this is where we come in with this program. You guys will be trained on how to do the filming, and then you'll send it to me for the polishing and the professional touches, and then you guys can use this video wherever you see fit in your marketing plan. This program makes a lot of sense for the companies that don't have a huge budget to have somebody dedicated to video. So if you don't want to hire me to come out and shoot a professional video every time you need it, this is something you might want to consider. So what does this process look like? Well, the first step is to hop on a phone call and have a quick consultation. Here I'll find out your needs for video and how we can really plug that into your marketing plan. Step 2 is once we determine your needs, I'll build a gear list specifically for your company and your business. And then I will hand that to you for you to purchase the gear. Step 3 is the fun part. This is where you get to dive in and learn how to use your new gear. I'll provide you all the training materials necessary to learn how to use your camera, your lighting, your audio, all of this just so we can take your videos to the next level. Step 4 is the easy part. This is where you guys just upload that new footage that you've just taken and send it to me via Dropbox or Google Drive. Step 5 is when I receive your footage and put it into the editing program. This is where we're gonna add all those little professional touches to your videos to make them stand out against your competitors. And finally, step 6, I'll hand you that finished product back so you guys can use it yourselves, or if we're handling your marketing needs, I'll pass this video right on over to Laura and she'll plug it into your marketing plan wherever it needs to go. Thanks for your interest in our VIY program. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot us an email, a call, or a text. Hope to talk soon.